Hello and welcome from Budapest. This is Hungary Reports from Public Media M1, bringing you the latest news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin in English. I'm Árpád Szőci. Thanks for joining us. Every layer of society has been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. That's what Hungary's chief medical officer said at Thursday's press conference of the operational group responsible for handling the virus in the country. Dr. Cecilia Müller said that on Wednesday, 848 people tested positive for the disease and 16 died from it, bringing the total number of deaths to 781. She said that these are disturbing numbers and that everyone must follow the rules. She added that it is people's common responsibility to protect each other. Another measure to combat COVID-19 went into effect on Thursday. Now it will be mandatory to do temperature checks of everyone attending kindergartens and schools in Hungary before entering their respective buildings. Whoever has a temperature higher than 37.8 Celsius will be sent home. According to reports, the first day of testing went smoothly. For the most part, the virus has not been really felt at schools and kindergartens. The Hungarian government has also decided to further extend border controls for another month starting on Thursday. That's what the head of the Prime Minister's office said at a government press conference. Gergely Gulyás added that the government's goal is for the country to continue functioning. He pointed out that in order to reduce the number of people getting infected with COVID-19, people have to stick to the rules that have been implemented to combat the disease. Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orbán has recommended that an intergovernmental agreement be made. That would be in case the dispute at the European Union about the rule of law would prevent Hungary from getting money from a planned recovery fund to help countries finance their handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. The PM had already earlier mentioned the proposal before a two-day European Council summit that started on Thursday. The Hungarian leader said that the group is in a crisis, and that's why it's important to establish a fund to financially support EU states as soon as possible, and that such a resource cannot be slowed down by a dispute over the rule of law. Hungary should be starved financially. A number of people at the EU are saying that, including one of the vice presidents of the European Parliament who belongs to the Progressive Alliance of Socialists and Democrats there. These politicians say that, along with Poland, the two countries should be penalized because of the state of the rule of law there. Hungary responded by saying that you can't blackmail the country. Some experts also point out that the EU's report on the rule of law in the bloc was based exclusively on information obtained from civic groups who have a relationship with international financier George Soros. And for any Hungarian soccer fans, this week Ferencváros of Budapest qualified for the Champions League after a 25-year hiatus. There you see the fans celebrating. On Thursday, the group stages were drawn, and the Hungarian team will be playing none other than Barcelona, Juventus, and Dynamo Kiev. Can hardly wait. And that's all for now, but please don't forget that you can catch Hungary Reports every night after the 11 p.m. news and online as always. Please stick around if you can. We also have shows in German, Russian, and Chinese. And please remember to wear a face mask to protect yourself and others. Keep a safe distance, too. Thanks very much for watching, and viszontlátásra.